Now, believe it or not, but one of the possible casualties of the current impasse between the JFF and the senior reggae boys is the same reggae boys team itself. Yes, I can tell you that the JFF is so frustrated right now with the demands of the players that they are actively and aggressively contemplating going for a completely different group of players, including some 9 or 10 players who are born and bred in England. And it is all well and good to have some better quality players in the program, but there are negatives associated with going down that road. We're talking about 3 to 4 years of solid investment, throwing all of that out with the bathwater while we jump and get some brand new players 3 months before the World Cup qualifiers start. And all of this is happening while our rivals in CONCACAF like USA and Costa Rica and Canada and Mexico, all of them are progressing in peace and harmony. This is risky business, JFF. Very risky business. This is very risky business.